What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Lord Zero here again with another unboxing. As you can see, I have 3 HomePod Minis right in front of me. One is not mine, it is for my husband. So I had bought this for him. He had mentioned he wanted one. I think he wanted a bigger one, but he didn't know they had the Mini, so I introduced him to the Mini. And he was like, hey, you want to unbox this? I was like, sure, why not? So we're going to unbox his first, and then I'm going to go give it to him. And then we're going to unbox mine. So let's get to his. I'm going to set mine to the side. And we're going to unbox his, unbox his HomePod Mini. It is the space gray, they call it. I call it black, whatever. But it's probably going to look more space gray once I unbox it. They had other colors. I think it was yellow and orange. I don't remember if there was a red one. I think there was a red one. But I'll show you what color I got here in a second. We're going to unbox his. Plastic off. Ooh, yeah, sharp knife. That was easy. Throw that away. And it just slides up. And just like that. There we go. There's nothing else in the box. Yes. Here we go. That is the color, that is the size. It matches. This is blacked out right here. I think that's pretty cool. The cable. Looks like you can either plug it into the computer or I'm going to let him do all of this. I'm not going to take any of this off. I'm going to let him do all of that. We're just going to open it up. So I'm going to put everything back in here for him. This is all his. So all of this is his, everything that's inside. And yes, you get the brick. Oh yeah. So you get the brick. We're gonna put this back, and that's it. That's pretty much the unboxing for that. I'm gonna go in a little bit more detail here in a second for mine. But I am going to go and give him this, so it's going to keep recording, so it's going to be, but we're going to do some movie magic later and all that crap. Yep. And we are back. I'm not going to keep all that recording in there of me talking to him about this or anything. You're not even going to hear this. So let's get to mine. I have 2 HomePod Minis. Are they saying Mini? Yes, they're saying Mini there. Yes, I have 2 of them. These are both mine. I'm going to set them up on my desk, which is behind you guys. My new desk for my MacBook, which is over there. So let's get to it, and you'll get to see the colors that I chose. A little cut. I love that knife. Oh wait, that knife has my initials on it. Pretty badass. I'll have to do a knife video for you. I'll pick that up later. Alright, here's the first HomePod Mini. And, ooh, I love that blue color. Oh, that is so cool. That is cool. I'm going to set that to the side. We'll actually open up all of this because it is mine. And yes, there's a sticker. That's exactly what I wanted, was my sticker. I think it was one of the products I got. I didn't get a sticker in. I was very sad about that. And of course, the brick. It's always nice to have one of those. It's good to have extra ones. Have them around. I'm gonna put that to the side. And like I said, that's it. That is a simple little unboxing. We're gonna take all of this off. Ooh, put that there at the bottom. It's pretty cool. The bottom of that is pretty dope, you guys. I love the color of this. It's gonna look really nice on my new desk that's behind there. I like it, I like it, I like it. Let's take this off. And hey, YouTube, we're back. I'm sorry. My battery died, so I'm gonna have to remember to use the plug-in for this next time, and then I won't have to worry about a battery dying on me. So we're back. I think I was talking about the cable. Yes, this cable is very long. I really enjoy that. We'll do some movie magic and we'll fix the whole editing thing. So here we go. Yeah, I love the color. It's great. Now we're gonna open up the second one, because since I actually wasn't gonna open up the second one since I opened up this one, but since, you know, the editing process and everything is gonna be a little crazy on this one, and I decided to not use my plug-in battery. Yeah. So we're gonna unbox this one too. Oh my god, I hit my camera. Hold on 1 second. Let me shake something. Alright, we're good. We are good. Or I can just leave it. The camera dying, coming back. I'll just probably leave it all. There's going to be some editing cuts in here. Like I said, I'm going to cut thing when I open up his and gave him his. And then I'm going to do that. Alright, here we go for the second blue one. There we go. Put that right there for a second. Again, same stuff. Another brick. It's nice when they still give those out. It's going to be extra for me because I'll probably plug the speakers directly into the computer sometimes, because the computer will be just hooked up right there and I can just hook it all up like so. Put that back in there for now. That in there, and that in there. There we go. Two. He's good. Have this thing roll around on me. Put that over there. Get the boop. Ah, yeah, that's nice. That Apple logo. That's very nice. Throw that right there. Alright, well, again, like I said, this is pretty simple unboxing for these. These are nice. I love the, I don't know if this, whatever fabric they use for this, it stretches. Oh, it feels nice. I've seen some of the reviews online for this, so if you want to check those out, there's a lot of reviews on that. I'll give my review on these later on. And give you my personal reviews on them, and then I will also give you my personal reviews on all my other Apple products that I picked. Also with the I think it's the AirPod Max. I'll tell you why I don't have those anymore. You'll see that in a later video. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll see you guys later. Deuces.